Hi friends, today I'm sharing my beginner's makeup kit. So it's very important to have a healthy skin before using any makeup. So make sure you clean your skin, moisturize your skin and apply a lip balm before applying any makeup to your skin. So I'm starting off with the first thing. This is a beginner's makeup kit, so I'm not including any primer or anything. I want to keep it simple and minimalist. So I'm starting off with a foundation which is very lightweight. This is Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. It's for normal to oily skin people. It's a very lightweight foundation. It's very smooth on the skin. It does not break me out. So I genuinely love this foundation. It's good for people who have a normal to oily skin. Second product is this brow kit. It's a really good product. The MRP of this is $3.99. It has two brown shades and one gel. It lasts really long. I'm using this for almost a year and I still did not hit the pan, so it's a really good purchase. Powders are more natural to the brows, so I like brow powders more than a brow pencil. If you want an alternate for this, you can try this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. This is for 110 rupees and it's easily available on Nykaa. Next product is concealer. So I have two options. This is Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. It's a really nice concealer. It's really thick and it hides the dark circles and it also highlights. This is LA Girl Pro Concealer. My shade is medium beige. Both the concealers are really nice, very natural on the skin. It does not look cakey under the eyes. So next product is this compact from Maybelline. So the shade is light beige. It's matte and poreless. Is good for people who have oily skin. It's very important to powder your face or set your under eye. Good compact for beginner. It's reasonably priced. It has three shades and it has SPF 28 PA+++. So it has a sun protection as well. Next product is this mascara. So I love this mascara. This is a little expensive than the regular mascaras, but if you want to invest in something good which actually gives you the effect of that false lashes, this mascara is really nice. Try this Maybelline Lash Sensational. The next product is this contour highlight and bronzing kit. I'm not showing any blush into this because I want this kit to be really minimalist and less. So this contour palette has all the three. Instead of using a blush, I tend to use a bronzer, glow as well as that warmth and definition to the face. So I like using bronzers, highlighters and contour shade. You can use your lipsticks for blushes. So I am showing the next product is these liquid lipsticks from Wet n Wild. I just literally love them because of the shade and the texture. I have 4 shades from them. So nowadays we all are wearing masks, so for that liquid lipsticks are better. Creamy matte lipsticks, क्योंकि situation is very bad. Everybody knows, nobody is wearing makeup at home, I know, but this is just for beginners makeup kit who want to learn makeup just like me. So try these shades. Next is this liner and kajal. So currently I am using this K Beauty kajal. You have an option for Maybelline Colossal as well. That is also really nice. And I'm using this Lakme Absolute Sunshine liner. This is my absolute favorite. I don't know how many bottles I have used, but I always like this and repurchase this. Good purchase for beginners kit. And the tip is also nice. It's very easy to apply. The tip is also nice, very thin. दिस इज़ द लाइनर. बिल्कुल जेट ब्लैक है ये, बिल्कुल स्मर्ज नहीं होता है. यू कैन सी it's a really nice line. And this one is the K Beauty kajal. This is also very jet black. I love this only because of the shade. lastly, good setting spray to keep your makeup in place. So currently I'm using Makeup Revolution London. So next is an eyeshadow palette. So this is Makeup Revolution Tammy X Tropical Paradise palette. It has almost every shades a beginner. It has all the shades beginners की ज़रूरत के लिए. These are 2 crease shades, highlighting shades. There are matte browns, plums, blues, blacks, and all the shimmery shades over here. So it's a really nice palette to invest on for beginners. Last but not the least is makeup brushes. It's very important to invest in good makeup tools, otherwise makeup set नहीं होगा properly और it will not blend proper. So आपका makeup केकी लग सकता है और uneven लग सकता है जो natural नहीं लगता. So I recommend this brush if you like quick makeup. So this brush is really nice. This pack 252 ये बहुत बड़ा है तो ये बहुत जल्दी ब्लेंड हो जाता है फाउंडेशन. सेकेंड इज़ अ ब्लश ब्रश. दिस इज़ अ रियल टेक्निक्स ब्लश ब्रश. सो आई हैव दीज ब्रशेस फॉर रियली लॉन्ग. आई वॉश देम रियली वेल every 15-20 days. I don't use makeup on regular basis, so I keep it like 20 days gap for washing. So it's very important to wash your brush as well. So this is a blush brush, and I am using this is an eyeshadow brush, but I'm like this brush for highlighting instead of using it as an crease brush. It's little bigger than a crease brush. This is a brush from a set from Real Techniques. So this is a crease brush, but I like it to use it as a highlighter brush. These 2 eye brushes are like the best makeup brushes I have. These are from Eco Tools. I ordered them from Nykaa for almost 5 to 6 years and it's still going good. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. Washed them multiple times and bristles are so soft. सिर्फ यही 2 brushes enough है for your eyeshadow if you are a beginner. एक्सेप्ट अ ब्रश विद अ स्पूली, क्योंकि अगर आप आईब्रोज फिल करते हैं एक स्पूली बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है टू लाइक एंड टू इवन आउट द पाउडर. If you still want to invest in a good blush, so you can try this LA Color blushes. They have really good shade range as well. So I bought this last year, so price might vary. The MRP of this is $590. You can try this Color Show, Maybelline Color Show as well, but the problem with this is this color does not show on me. So make sure you try or test before buying. It's very important to remove your makeup. So I suggest this makeup remover. It's a Garnier Micellar Water. It's amazing. It removes all the waterproof mascara and all the makeup from your face. Use this twice to remove your makeup for that extra cleanliness. So it's a really good purchase. I always order the bigger bottle. बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाता है ये मेरा. So really nice micellar water. Always shake it really well before using it. So thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. So make sure you follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Make this a community and please bear with my not so good explaining skills, but whatever I have suggested, I have tried them for multiple times. I use them, I purchase them multiple times. I have not recommend anything which is just random. I use them multiple times. So always patch test before using a product or before trying a product. Make sure you see all the reviews or all the videos on YouTube before purchasing anything. Most of the products I purchased from Nykaa, Purple, and recently I discovered Hog Beauty, and they are really good for makeup. If you want good discounts or if you want good discounts, you can try Hawk Beauty. They have a office in Delhi, so they delivered the eyeshadow palette within like 2 days. I'm so amazed. It was not broken or anything, and I received both the palettes on time, so I'm really happy. For makeup products, check Hawk Beauty, they are amazing. Thanks for watching.